Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. I have been using this for 4-5 years now. I have been absolutely in love with this gel liner. I can't wait to tell all the details about this gel eyeliner and how it has performed on me. Without any further ado, let's get started. So this gel liner retails for 500 rupees for 2.5 grams of product that it comes up with. It comes in a small tub like this. It might seem very small to you because it's a very small tub, and the product inside is something like this. I have used it a couple of times now, so it's kind of scratched. And if you think that this little product, how long is it going to last? Trust me guys, this is going to last at least 1 year. Do not go with the quantity that is visible outside, because you hardly need a bit to draw a wonderful gel eyeliner. And this is how the brush of this one looks like. It has got a very precise tip which would help you apply the eyeliner very precisely and could draw a beautiful wing. So the wing that I have drawn here is with the same brush. It's very soft and it won't poke you. It would be very easy for you to apply it precisely and draw the shape however you want to. An eyeliner being that level of smudge and budge proof and waterproof, I have never seen in my life until this one. This is the most long lasting eyeliner I have ever used. If you wear this even for 24 hours and you get out in rain without an umbrella on your head, I can assure you guys it won't budge until you reach home. This would be the same as you have applied it. It does not smudge, it does not crumble into pieces, it won't come off at all. Now you must be wondering how it would come off then. You can remove it with micellar water, with coconut oil, with an oil based micellar water preferably, or with the wet wipes, whatever you have. Do not go with your face wash and start scratching and rubbing it, rigorously with your face wash, trying to get it off. That won't help. That would get you scratches on your eyes, and you wouldn't want that, right? So use a makeup remover before trying to get this off. If you don't have anything, no worries. You can use a coconut oil. That is the best makeup remover that you can ever have, and that is homemade and that is readily available for everyone. You can use this eyeliner as a kajal that I have also used here. I've used this eyeliner as kajal. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see the usage in the later part of this video. You can use this to create a classic dramatic wing that I have drawn right here. Not a very big one though, but a smaller one. You can use this very efficiently to create a smoky eye look, because this blends for a while. For about 20-30 seconds it will let you blend it, it will let you smudge it. Post that you cannot, and smoky eye is mostly about smudging, right? So it would let you smudge it for about 30 seconds. That's how you can use this gel eyeliner. Let's see what Maybelline has to say about this eyeliner. Intense black fixed formula with deep black mineral color, stays smudge proof and waterproof. I could not agree more. This kajal infused with goodness of aloe vera, vitamin C and E, stays up to 24 hours without smudging. I can assure you guys that if Maybelline says, as Maybelline says, it lasts for 24 hours. If you keep it, hold this eyeliner for 24 hours, it's gonna stay, it's gonna last like that without budging at all. Just a tip that I would want to add on is, when you're using this liner, when you're opening this eyeliner, just keep it upside down while you're using it, and not like this, so that it doesn't dry quickly, because gel liners are mostly prone to drying soon, and in 4-5 months you might end up this liner might end up getting dried and you might throw it away. Do not throw it. There is a liquid that comes Inglot Durolin, as far as I can remember, and you can pour 2 drops of that and this liner would be good to go. So do not throw a gel eyeliner that is dried up already. There are a lot of products in the market which melts the products, which are available to melt a product, to melt a gel liner. Do not get it dried up quickly. You can put the liner like this, not with the cap, without the cap while you're using it, and then put the cap once you're done using this gel eyeliner. That way it's gonna last more. It's gonna get dried up later than it should have. To apply the eyeliner, I'm going to be using the brush that it comes up with. You can use the eyeliner brush whatever you have with you. I'm going to be using the brush that it comes up with, so you would have an idea how this brush performs if you don't have one. So that's all for my short review on Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.